Today is Halloween, so I have my pastry artist. He's the guy expert to do all those artistic jobs. He is from Indonesia. He has a golden eye to do all the art, any occasion. So since it's Halloween, so we gotta make a very artistic, scary things in the Halloween. So see you guys. If you ask what we are making, everything is edible, guys. It is a sugar paste or what? Sugar paste.
Fondant.
It is called as fondant.
Yeah.
It's a kind of sugar paste. Normally we make from the eggs, powdered sugar, corn flour, and gelatin. So when you mix this one, it's paintable like this. It's edible, guys. Normally in a 4 to 5-star hotel, we don't use non-edible things. So this is the things that we garnish for all cakes and pastries, centerpieces. Pumpkins. Because when you say Halloween, pumpkin is a must. So now you have a melted chocolate, right?
Yes, sir.
Spider. So we're gonna show you guys how to make spider. So that's the string, right?
Yes.
My daughter also wants to be a pastry chef.
Mm.
Actually, he's good in art. Last time you saw her, right?
Yeah.
Letterings, drawings.
Yeah.
You love only pastry. He's telling like that. I will not go cooking in hot kitchen, cold kitchen.
Yeah.
I only wants to be a pastry chef. That's it.
Yeah. It means
He told me.
already have talent and then
Yeah.
encouragement and then need to decide it.
When I asked, you want to be a executive chef like that also? He's telling no. I don't like to shout people.
Put the cupcake like this and then put the spider like this.
Yeah. Eyeball, guys. So it's something scary, guys. So it's basically you have to do a balls, right?
Yes.
So now, guys, another kind of scary things. We will make ghosts. So basically, what we're gonna do,
Like this.
we make such kind of,
Yeah.
it's like foundations.
Like foundation.
Like that. And then the eyes. So now we have a lady stranger. That's the art from Morocco, ladies and gentlemen. So guys, this is what I'm telling you. If you become a chef, it means this is your passion. See the lady, the pretty lady chef is from Morocco. She wants to try also in the pastry, even she is specialized in the hot kitchen. Alright, so why is the head is in the why is the eyes in the head? Okay, you try again, Nadia.
What?
You try.
Too big.
No.
So guys, what we gonna do now is the dead finger. Dead finger, huh? I cannot show like this different dirty finger because I might get strike for YouTube. Every problem. Dead finger. And that one is the nails.
Yeah.
That is your finger, Naja. Huh? That's your finger. There is a cutics, no? They call it cutics, right? It's red one. See? Can I see your finger, Naja? It is the same? It is the same? Oh, it's too big.
It's fun.
It's too big. I will try my finger.
No, this is not here. But it's me. More.
It's too small.
It's not here.
Yeah, this man. So this is lady finger. My girlfriend finger, this one. Huh?
Yeah.
My lady finger. My girlfriend finger, that one. Finger like a candle. Huh? Naja, you try na. See, I'm not learning. I just saw that one. So let's see, guys, the finger from Morocco. You try to copy your finger, huh? Get the red one for the nails.
The nail.
Looking good, looking good. This is the finger from Morocco, guys. Coming soon, coming soon. You make those balls first. Make those first. And then press a little bit and make a little bit more. Yeah, that's great. That's great. Okay. Yeah, that's great. Oh wow, fantastic. Huh? Don't practice and go in the pastry also, huh? Sometimes. Can I see that? Show me, show me. Oh wow. You see? Oh, it looks like, similar, huh? Yeah, similar, huh? So that is Moroccan's finger, huh? Hey! It was fold up. Alright, alright. Okay. Yeah.
Oh, same.
Yeah, the same. Very good. Huh? Very good. Look at it. Huh? See? Oh, we are making art and we are happy in the kitchen, guys. Huh? Alright guys, now we will do for doing our decoration and frosting. So I have this, our prepared buttercream. I use Italian buttercream. Guys, this is not ice cream, huh? Alright, that much. So our frosting. So now, I like to have a deadly finger like this way. I like the eyes ball. I like the pumpkin. And Spider-Man. Look at the other side. I like the RIP. Of course, the pumpkin. A nice color on it. And our Spider-Man also here. And always our pumpkins for nice color and texture. Some flower on it. Simple as like that, guys. Spider-Man should be there. And then our dead finger, some flower on it. More RIP. Rest in peace, guys.
Oh no!
A dead man on the top. Okay, guys, you just play as you like. And of course, some flower on it. Look at